so much for getting my channel to 16 subscribers. I'm really happy about this. So I'm gonna do something really fun today. As today is such a fun day, I like making paper airplanes. Paper. Yay! Let's make this. That'll be back. Okay, I'm back. I just want pancakes. Okay, I'm back now. And so my grandma just wanted me to show you the picture of an owl, which I thought was weird. It was in one of my friend's backyards. That was cool. Okay, now I have my paper airplane. Go throw this at me, dog. Get prepared to get hit by paper. So cute.